Alright, where's those other blocks at? Give me those other ones over there. Did those get cut and taken apart yet? Did you mark them yet?
Nope.
Well, then why are you trying to put the pin away? You're not done yet.
Where's the pin now?
Some dumbass left it over there in the pin rack. It's hard to get good help around here. There's just no help at all. Alright, where's those other ones at? I need those other 4 we gotta redo too. There's a bunch of those I gotta work on.
Is this the right way to mark?
What size is that one?
They're good.
They're not good, they gotta be honed.
Just rub it with your finger then.
What am I doing with my damn tools? Making me forget what I'm doing.
Here, let me measure that one really quick.
Too late, it's taken apart. Just mark it 1 because they're all 1.
I would say it's like a half on this one.
We don't do halves around here, it's 1.
Yeah, it's definitely 1. Damn it, lick that. Look what you made me do, Tatro.
What'd you do? You're destroying that new hoodie.
I am.
Look at that, he's got holes in my, look at it. He's got that nice new sweatshirt like I wear. And look at it. He's number 1. You got a welding hole in there now too.
Cool.
We got to sell that as a vintage Tatro machine apparel that's been factory tested.
Had to test it.
Get extra for it now. Where's that thing at? I need the one that's marked good. Screwing around with me. How did you mark yourself? I don't know how you do that.
I don't know either.
People.
I'm tired, alright?
That's no excuse.
I'm tired of your shit.
Tired of my crap. There you go. Get in line on that one. Yeah, get in line. Oh, that's a good one there.
Yeah, because I didn't want to get cut.
Oh, there it goes. That was a good one.
You sure this one was good, Tatro?
Ah,
You told me this one was
damn.
good.
Those are in there. Oh, that one came right off the dowel. That one's way in there. That's the first one that was a failure. Tighter this time. There we go. I came out that time. That one's in there. That was marked good for a reason.
Like 1.5 on this one.
1.5.
Take the other side.
Is that the one we just marked? Which one's that one? Is that the
One
one you marked good?
Yeah.
Well, it's only good when you got the dowels in it. What are you remeasuring it for? It's already marked 1. What's this one over here? You took my good one? I had one over here that said good on it too.
Yeah, this is the one that.
Oh, you
said
stole
good.
it.
Yeah, I'm gonna remark it good.
Okay, where's the other ones at? Well, give me the other 4.
Maybe we should mark the bottom halves too, huh?
No. You wouldn't mix those up on me, would you?
I mean, who knows?
4 more.
Where are they at?
On the bench.
Those dirty ones?
Yeah, the Harley ones. Gotta redo them. I'm making an executive decision. I don't like them. I'm redoing them.
Redo them.
Yeah, but this time you gotta mark them so we know how much we gotta redo them. And don't go marking your sweatshirt anymore. It's hard to get good help these days, I'm telling you. I'm gonna put you in charge of working on Fred's bike here pretty soon.
About 1.5.
See, it's right there.
Yeah, I'm getting. Oh wait, 3.
You're in a hole.
Nope.
Yeah. 1.5.
1.5. So you want 1.5?
Were you squeezing that together when you checked it?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
So you mark it 2. That was a screw up. Sure it was. Alright, where's the other one at?
Never happy, are you?
Nope. Now this one I'm not gonna cut these here. We're just gonna sand on these. We're not taking the dowels out of those.
2.
2. Perfect. We'll take it. Uh-oh, look at that. Alright, what do we got over here in my way? We got all this junk over here in my way. Someone said they liked my drill selection. Have them just laying around like that. And there's the drill motor to go with it. He liked my 3/4 inch drill. He's got a like by 3/4 drill motor too. Otherwise known as a toe buster when it hits you in an arm breaker. How are those ones? Good?
2.
2? All 2s? Okay, we're gonna put all this crap so we can work over here. I don't know why you left this stuff in the way like this.
1.5. So 1 more.
Oh, that's heavy. Perfect. It's out of the way. Another one. Oh, we got the racing air cleaner in the way now.
I'm really tripped out about how I lost this.
I know what this goes to. What's that off of? It is one wasted ass intake house seal, looks like to me. I don't know what that is.
It looks like a seal.
Yeah, I don't know what it's for though. It's on my air cleaner, it must be important for something. Somebody left it laying there. I'm gonna put this thing, it's in my way. I'll put it over here somewhere. Put it around the pile of junk I just moved. Okay, we got our nice sanding table here. Where are we gonna machine these? There's our sandpaper. We can either get our arms worked out or we can waste a bunch of time setting up the milling machine.
Yeah, but you set it up once and you don't need to use the same setup for all of them, right?
You can. Is that how it works? Yeah, probably.
Probably the fastest way then.
I don't know. Not really. I'll probably just sand them when I'm done anyway. Milling machine is a crappy finish because it's a crappy milling machine. You know, there's new paper over here getting destroyed. Could use that. 180. 120. Now we're talking. What else do we got? 180. We're not doing fine work. 220. We're definitely not using 220. 120. There we go. That's the right grit right there. Is that the one? Pro grade. A new sheet of this out.
You just lay it flat and run it back and forth.
Oh, yeah, 2 sheets out. Ooh. You know, I used pro grade paper.
Why?
It doesn't load up very much. It cuts nice and even.
Without clogging?
It's got anti-clogging in there. And the grains are very consistent. You don't have those extra ones that are in there extra tall that screw up everything. When you're just right at the very, very end and put the big gouge right through everything. These don't have those in there. So here's a nice fresh one. These will cut good. Right, I need one of those over there.
Here, let's go with my set first.
Your set.
Yeah.
Where's yours at?
Here's
Was yours marked good?
one of them. That's good.
Oh, this is yours?
Yeah. And the other one that says 1.
Is it bad on it? Oh, that is some crispy critter stuff there. Oh, that is some coarse stuff. Ooh, that is really coarse. This is what size? 1?
1.
Is it flat now? Now we actually need some cutting. So was your paper?
Paper?
Your paper. Can we do all work?
That's what YouTube wants to see.
You want
Okay.
this on the
I need an indicator. What?
Torx heads?
Just lay it on the bench there. It's fine. No, calipers.
He said
4 gauge.
indicator.
There's an indicator.
They're both indicators.
I'm indicating
One-
how bad this thing is. Oh, we can't measure it that way. It doesn't work. You dumbass.
See how he talks to me?
Dumbass. You see that one? You see that one? 1.5. Okay, this is a 33.
You sure you zeroed out?
I don't care. It's 33. What's this one? It's 32. 31.5. 31 3/4. Yeah, like 32 almost. I take off like almost a whole thou already.
Cool.
What do we need?
1.
1. Jeez. Must be new paper. How about this side? Look how flat that is.
Just worn on the inside.
You don't like that flatness? Oh, we're not supposed to mix paper, will we? Okay, I'll do brass on this side.
It's alright.
How's that?
Better?
Getting flatter? See, I move it around a lot.
Rotating as you...
That way it doesn't get high spots. Keeps it more flat. Looks good.
Hey, what are we working on?
Junk.
It's like a goddamn bicycle gooseneck.
Handlebar clamps for a road turd.
Yeah.
Where's your bore gauge? Where's your indicator?
Here you go.
What do we got? We're in the 0?
Make sure there's no hole on that
Yeah,
side.
put it in the hole. What do you got?
Not 0.
What
Stop
do you got?
moving it so much. Hold on.
What do you got?
Stop. I got 4.
4
Negative. On the negative side.
what? 4 thou negative?
Yeah.
Ooh. I mean, you cut 4 thou off that already? We're only supposed to cut 1. Now we gotta do a lot of honing now. You sure you're negative, not positive?
Here you go. Verify.
Did I do it right?
Trust but verify.
What if I don't trust anybody? That's 4.5. It's even worse. You got carried away there. Well, it's new paper. We had to check it out. So now we know. Okay, put that in the pile that's marked good. Good thing you can read that good. See, it's still there visible. Okay, I don't want that one no more. What's this one?
That one's the other 1 thou.
This is 1?
Yep.
So you want me to take 1 off this one also?
Here, do you want to measure it first before you...
No, I'm just going to
Take
cut
an initial?
this out of it. I'm just going to go for it. Ah, that's sharp on your hand. Get a pair of welding gloves. Look how flat that surface is on there. That's like almost perfect. Look at that. Nice, good machining. So you got 2 each way, right? And you go 1, that's 45 degrees out. And go like that. How's that?
That's good.
Is that enough? We'll find out. How's that one look to you?
Looks pretty good to me. You want me to measure it?
Sure, measure it. What do you got?
About 32.
This is a little flatter than the last one. See?
32.5. 33. 31.5.
What do you want?
Sure.
See, it's almost it's almost coming in on this side. See how it's kind of dark yellow?
Yeah. I mean, that hasn't been hit yet.
See over here, same thing. So that means there's a twist in it. Whenever you machine something, you have built up stresses. It looks like good and shiny all the way around now. Now when you finish sanding, you do light pressure, that way the stresses you're putting on by pushing on it will equalize also. Alright, what do you got?
It range anywhere between 31.5 to 33.
Perfect. What do we got now? Gotta be straight.
4. -4.
-4. Perfect. Means you got a lot of honing to do. Alright, we're good to go on that one. Next! How many more we got to do?
We have 2 more to do.
We got more than 2 over there. We got a whole milling machine full of them.
Uh-huh. But we're just going to focus on mine, right?
And we're going to focus on those new ones right there, those old ones. Give me those old ones.
Damn old ones?
I want them old crappy ones there. We're going to redo the 61s.
So in other words, we're not going to work on my shit today.
We're going to work on it. Working on everything around here. So I'll think of these. Do we know?
Nope.
Do we care?
Nope. I mean, at least I don't.
You don't care? What kind of an attitude is that?
Go ahead and just stock you up.
Which number was this one?
They're all 2s.
They're all 2s. Yep.
For the most part, yeah.
What's this one? Okay, fat to fat. Clunk.
There's a hole right there.
Yeah, I know. Don't put the indicator in the hole.
How the fuck?
Here, go on this side then.
Yeah. Thank you.
We got
Half
half plus or negative.
plus.
So we didn't go in there. What if I hold it down tighter?
Yeah, I was going to ask you that. Yeah, it's still same thing.
Half?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yep.
Okay. More sanding. Be nice to be -1. I'm just gonna have a little bit to hone with. How's that look? Okay, this says number 2. You got number 3. Now what do we got?
No, -1.
-1. Let's see. Where's it at? I can't see. Is that -1?
Yep.
On the money?
Mm-hmm.
If I go to this side. Stay out of the hole though.
Yeah. -1.
Right there's -1.
Yeah, maybe a tenth of a thou over, but
Oh, a tenth over. Oh my God, we gotta redo it. Put it back. Get the glue. All right, we're gonna do all these blocks like this. So we'll be back in a while.